what do you think the future of automobile and autonomous driving?
Yeah, that's an amazingly good question. I think it's very timely.
Mm-hmm.
In this context, I'm gonna give you my personal views, not necessarily corporate views, right? Because I think it's best I just keep my personal views out there. Um, I think that automobiles, we're at an inflection point. I really believe in the OEM market,
Mm-hmm.
and I mean that in terms of electrification as well as autonomous driving, which and I think those are very different concepts, and they're very have massively different impacts in terms of transformation. When you look at the electrification, really is the movement of internal combustion engines or ICE and vehicles to EV or electric
Mm-hmm.
vehicle. And I think in that space, it's really coming down to the cost of the vehicle, the incentives for governments to make it so the cost point of the EV is on parity or roughly the same cost structure as say you would get with a normal ICE vehicle. And that
Okay.
is really driving a lot of